Hey, it's Vicky and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. Thanks so much for stopping by. So today it's that time of the month again. Yes, it is time for another Boxycharm unboxing. I am so excited to unbox this. You guys really liked my last video and I completely understand why. This box is so incredible. Just in case you don't know what Boxycharm is already, Boxycharm is a subscription service where you get 5 full-size products for $25, and they're not like super cheapy products either. They are legit good products, and I am so excited to open this box up. The last time I got a product that was worth $90, and I've been using it ever since, and it is incredible and it has changed my skincare routine. So I'm so excited to see what is in this box. So without further ado, let's break this bad boy open. So here's what everything in the box looks like just from opening it. Oh, okay. So first thing, we've got a Fairy Tales Storybook cosmetic, Little Red Riding Hood. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so it's an eyeshadow palette. What the heck? And here's the mirror right here. That is so cool. It says, "Someday you will be old enough to start reading fairy tales again" by C.S. Lewis. Well, he didn't write Little Red Riding Hood, but alright. It says, "Once upon a time, there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they lived happily ever after." So I'm assuming that's like the creators of this cosmetics line. This is so cute. So I'm gonna read the shades for you. We have Red, which is a red shimmer. Then we have Bad Wolf, which is a gray shimmer. We have Basket, which is a matte brown taupey kind of nude shade. We've got Peril, which is a kind of pink red dual shimmer. Then we've got Journey, which is a little bit pinker, but it's still a matte. And then we've got Woods, which is a little bit lighter of a brown shade, but still a really nice transition shade. These are really pretty. So I really like that they have 3 mattes, 3 shimmers, so it kind of covers the whole basis. The only thing I'll say is this is a thick boy, and I'm not entirely sure how it's going to go in my collection. But with that being said, maybe I can like put it back there where I have all my other books, but then it wouldn't be a part of my collection. So I don't really know where I'm going to store this yet, but I do like these shades and everything in here. Let me see how much this costs. The MSRP on this palette alone is $35. So $35, we've already beaten the price of the box, so that's a really good value. So let's move on to the next product. Ooh, okay, so we've got the Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. I've never heard of this, so let's open this thing up. Ooh, already I like this packaging. It's really pretty, kind of rose gold. There's some cracks. I feel like there were some cracks in shipping. Let's open it up. Please don't be broken. Okay, it's not broken. Here is what it looks like. It definitely looks like a blush that I would use. Oh, that's a really pretty shade. It's not like a super vibrant blush, but it definitely is something that I would wear on a day where I'm not trying to go like full glam or anything like that. Like more of a natural beat day. Definitely really cute, really pretty. Let's see what the MSRP is on this. It is $26. I wouldn't say it's a good price for this because it does feel a little bit cheap. It kind of feels like the packaging of like Maybelline or something. So definitely not like the packaging I would have assumed would be on here, but it definitely is really pretty. And the shade is called Burnt. I don't really think that I mentioned that, but I'm really happy with this as well. So next, we have the Aesthetica Pro Series Brush Cleaner and Conditioner. Ooh. So on the card, it says that this retails for $12, and it says on here, "Prolong the life of your favorite makeup brush with the Aesthetica Pro Series Cleanser and Conditioner, specifically formulated to effectively remove accumulated makeup and dirt from your cherished makeup tools." I don't think I said the MSRP, maybe I did. It's $12. This is really exciting because I don't actually have a devoted brush cleaner. I usually just use I call it doctor soap because it smells like the soap that they have at the doctor's office. The traditional Dial, like the orange one, I love the way that that stuff smells, and it really does get my brushes super clean and like squeaky clean. But I am excited to try this out because it says that it conditions your brushes. The Dial doesn't leave my brushes like dry or anything, but maybe this will be really great for the natural hair brushes that I have because they do shed a little bit because of me using the Dial, but I don't really like natural brushes anyway. I'm like a synthetic kind of girl, but I'm really excited to see how this works on these, and I will give you an update on how I feel about this as well. Moving right along to the last makeup thing that we have this Brow Bar by Reema True Brow Makeover Kit. Okay, and it's in the shade Dark, which is great because I love a dark eyebrow. So this is what it looks like. I don't really know what these are for or how to use this. Well, oh, okay. I thought that like I could like pull it out from here because you can definitely see that there's a, I guess it's a brow gel, but you open it up and then you, clearly we are a low budget production. Okay, so it comes with this little brush. One side is a little bit domed and then this other side is angled. It comes with, I don't know what this is. This is confusing. All right, so I'm gonna read the paper because I don't really get this. The Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. Style your brows like a pro with the ultimate brow kit designed with 2 long-wearing brow shades, a brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and a flat brush. And the MSRP on this is $30. So it comes with a kind of like dark brown, and then it comes with a black, and then I guess this is a brow lift. Maybe it's like a concealer type of deal that you would like put under your brow to kind of get a little bit more of a highlight, but I don't really like it or the texture. It's very waxy, but it's not waxy in the sense that it would be for styling your brows or anything, because that's what I'm assuming the brow gel is for. But it feels like a kind of waxy concealer, and I don't really like the way that that feels, and I don't think I'll be using that. Can't get this brow gel open for the life of me. Okay, let's see this. It's like a standard brow gel with a spoolie at the end. I don't want to like be shady. I don't really like this or care about this. I'll definitely use it and I'll definitely try it out. Don't get me wrong. It's not like a thing where I'm like, oh my God, I'm so excited to use this. Again, the MSRP on this is $30. Seems a little bit high, but I will definitely try this out and tell you if it is worth the money or not. And then we've got our final item, which is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil. I think that this is like the high ticket item of this whole box. Yeah, okay, so it says a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with a precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin with a luminous glow. And the MSRP on this is $79. I don't like the way that rose smells off the bat, so I'm not sure how I will feel about this. I do know that I like Elemis products. They're really, really nice and luxurious. Ooh, pretty bottle. I can already smell the rose through it, and I don't like the way that it smells. But it says massage 3 to 4 drops over the face and neck. That's it. It says the soothing facial oil is formulated with organic English rose oleo extract, rose hip seed oil, roaring water kelp, and Pedinia pavonica. Intensely nourishes the skin while smoothing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for all skin types, including sensitive skin. I'll try this out. I'm not like super excited about it because I, again, don't like the way that rose smells for like the 8th time that I've said it. But I will be trying this out. I do love a facial oil and I want to stay optimistic about it. Maybe I will adjust to the way that this smells. Maybe I won't and I'll end up giving it to my sister. Who knows? We'll find out. I'll keep you posted. Before I go, let me total up the entire value of this box that I received, because again, it was $25. So let me see how much it would be with everything if we were paying MSRP for it. So this box had a retail value of $182. Again, I paid $25 for it. Overall, I'm not like super excited about this box and I feel really bad about saying that, but I think that the issue here is that I had 2 boxes that I was so in love with and enthralled with, and they were just like really great things and great items and really exciting products where it was a really hard thing to like follow up with. So I don't really think it's their fault. They have to work with the products that they have, of course, but it just isn't the most spectacular box that I've received. So hopefully the January box is a little bit better, a little bit more exciting, but who knows? I sure don't, because I don't work for them. But that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down below by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribing to my channel, and hitting the notification bell down below so that you can stay notified to whenever I upload a new video. But till the next time, stay kind, keep creating, take care of you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.